Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony. I'm here to take you through Vegas Lodge number 32, right here in Las Vegas, Nevada. Come on in, and I want to show you around. And this particular room, I'm actually already inside, as you can tell. They got their past Grand Masters for the state of Vegas, state of Nevada, up here on the wall. And I actually got a chance to meet one of them from 2013. Got the chance to meet him today and sit in lodge with him. So it's always a pleasure to sit in lodge with a past Grand Master of any state. But take a look at this lodge, and maybe just look around and see if there's some things about this lodge that you can maybe incorporate in your own lodge. And maybe, just maybe, if you're in the area, you just might want to stop in. So come on with us, because you've just entered the Coolest Life Masonic Edition. Coming through the back door. Oh, I like the little thing they have on there. It's cool. Nice waiting area. Nice. The doors to the front, and actually just brought you in the back. They've got a nice little waiting room here. It's well secured, so they don't really typically use the front of the building. So the front of the building's got a fence around it, so I don't know if I even get you a picture of that. Maybe I will. Veterans Wall of Honor. Oh, I got a nice little classroom down there, and we're going to go in the main lodge room. They got a good little setup here. I'm sure they rent this space out, especially that dining room there. I'll show you the dining room, which is here. Good size, very clean, very new looking. Got a lot of space. So good reception line there. Really cool area. This is a lot of their some memorabilia. Very well kept. Scottish Rite represented here. And the shrine does not meet here, but Scottish Rite meets down the street too. And some past masters. Looks like that's the old square and compasses. We've got a good looking security system here. That's nice. Right above where they do their sign-ins. Looks like they got a Tyler sword here. Not real ornate. We are going to go in here and look at a nice door knocker. See if he's got a matching one. Ooh, he does. Matches. Complete with a peephole. Nice. Love those. Love peepholes. Awesome. Let's go on inside. You can see this is a beautiful lodge room. First thing I noticed was the rope around the bottom. So you got your parquet floor, or your checkers, I guess. But they got a nice rope, nice accent. Don't see that. Actually, I've never seen that in another lodge. Let's start here with our senior. Let's start here. Look at that. It's got a handle on it. Never seen a handle on a stand before. I love seeing different things. These are in really good condition. This is not an old piece of wood at all. Those are gold instead of silver. Most of these I see are silver. And here we've got some curtains up here behind the senior warden. In fact, I may pull that curtain back just to see if there's anything on the wall, maybe. Nice setting wall. Good size. Seen this in here before. It's about standard size, about 14 to 18 inches tall. Love the setting walls. You don't see enough setting walls in places. His wrapping area even has the senior warden logo on it. And let's peek back here to see if there's anything on the wall. Oh, a lot of times I'll see murals or different things right in here. I don't think I see. Nope, just a wall. Okay. Thought I'd check. I'll fix that in a minute. The columns here got casters on the bottom. Well, that's really setting at an angle there too. And look at that. So is that one. That looks like it's leaning against the wall. I ain't touching it. I assure you I'm not touching it. And check out this. Looks like a place a wayfaring man might be a part of. It's a nice oil painting. That's a real oil painting. That's not a. It does not look like it is a reproduction. And they may have a Eastern Star that meets here since they got this set up in the north. Oh, we got a multi-box. We don't see a lot of multi-boxes in those states. A lot of states, multi-box is not even authorized, but some states it is. This one, obviously, you can do a multiple vote on your ballot when you're balloting for something. So if you're balloting for more than one person, you could put their name here, and they've each got their own little slide out in the back. In fact, I may turn this around because I really don't see these enough. Oh, I guess it doesn't slide out, it just opens up. So let's look inside. You can see that's empty. And if you were going to vote, you would just drop that in like that. Those are cool. I like those. I think the first time I saw one was in South Carolina. I've seen a couple other states have those. Got some good handrails here. And here's your point within a circle. Typically in Nevada, I've been seeing them on that wall, right about there actually. But you get the point within a circle over here with St. John the Baptist, St. John the Evangelist. And you got a set of columns here. Nice set of columns. This should be a set of working tools is my guess. Let me see if I can open this. Oh, there we go. Look at there. Nice set of working tools. Probably use it for the degree work. Point it up. Let's see. Is there a square underneath here? Let's point it upward. Let's see. Oh, it's pointed down. Well, anyway, at least they have one. I like to see the Masonic logos on because it really distinguishes that this is for a Masonic order. Like that chair, it doesn't have a logo on it, so I mean anybody could sit there. And got a G, I'm sure it lights up. And he's got a good looking gavel here. Ooh, that's nice. What's it say? Vegas Lodge number 32. Reminds me. Let's see, what have we got here? Wow, interesting. I don't think I've seen that one before. It doesn't even look Masonic. And they've got their charters here. Grand Council Roll Select Master, Grand Chapter Roll Archmage. So they got a York Rite group that meets here. Ooh, look at these. These are on that skins too. These are not painted though. They're reproductions. Shows a lot of their symbolisms and stuff. And they may or may not explain these through the degrees. Point those out to the new members and stuff. Looks like that's electronic dinger. So it's got dingers electronic. They probably got a button somewhere and probably even wrote. I don't know, but they probably makes those bells go off. So that's their charters and everything up there. Let's see. Nice picture of George Washington. It's pretty rare that I see three rows of seating. Normally there's two in most lodges if they do have two. At least one, but if they do have an extra one, it's two. Lots of room in here too. They're not jammed together. And for him, they've got another, got the plum here, the plum there. And what do they got here? Sheaf of wheat. Yep, looks like a sheaf of wheat. Ooh, and corn. Nice. Did not see corn. You see the corn there? Didn't see corn in the other picture we had at the other two lodges we were at. So sheaf of wheat and ears of corn. Yeah, nice. And of course, their stewards in this jurisdiction, or stewards sit here. And last but certainly not least, let's take a look at this the altar here. Beautiful altar. Look at the size of those things. Those are nice. Looks like they got an actual candle because he's got his candle putter outer here and his lighter there. Those are nice. Are they heavy? Yes, they're heavy. I would say, I'm trying to pick it up just to see how heavy it is. It could be 20 pounds. Yeah, it's probably 20 pounds, if not 30 pounds. Those are heavy. Those are heavy. This looks like our standard Bible. We see this particular one more than any place, but I don't see a lot of them with the actual lodge name written right there on the Bible. Typically, they're a Bible like this. Freemasons who were presidents, pretty common to see. Some other Bibles you might see actual pictures of the different presidents. Just got it right. Freemasons in the Holy Bible talks all about it. Can a Christian be a Freemason? Absolutely yes. There's no reason they cannot be. Nice. Nice. Great piece. Really like this lodge. It's got some indirect lighting up top. Really cool. If you're in Las Vegas and you want to come see a lodge, come on down to Las Vegas number 32 right here. And we're real close to downtown Las Vegas. We're actually between Fremont Street, where a lot goes on, in the newer part, which is where all the larger casinos are. Not Circa, but MGM and a lot of those, the Luxor, all those. So kind of between the two. But you want to come to a lodge, by all means, come to this lodge. They eat good. I'll tell you that, they eat good. This is the first Friday of the month, but they definitely eat good. We're about ready to eat. In fact, they've already had prayer and everything. And the other thing I want to tell you about this is you definitely have to buzz them, to get in, because I had to do that. There's a gate out there, and you have to buzz it to actually drive through. But hey, be sure to like and subscribe, and hopefully you saw something in this lodge and maybe help enhance your own lodge, your own home lodge, or maybe you saw enough about this lodge and think, I come down, I think I want to see this live and in person, so come on down. Let me let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I need to get back out here living the coolest life. Masonic Edition.